I don't think Mfukeng uzohamba Orlando Pirates. I don't think uzohamba this year Orlando Pirates, because if you look at Mfukeng, he's attracting a lot of interest ngaphandle. Umfana kuba akafuna ukuhamba, I think he would have left a long time ago. But now Umfana has completed domestic football South Africa, and uAbdeslam was clear season mayicala uthi the time bambuza ukuthi what is a successful season to you, coach, he said a successful season for me is either I win the CAF Champions League or I win the league. Now we were out of the CAF Champions League. He said I'm going for the league. He went for the league, he won it. uThomas Mlambo mbuzile ukuthi what are you looking for, what are you eyeing in the following season? He said in the following season I'm going for the Champions League. Now I don't think Mfukeng angayeka ukuthatha Champions League ukuthi ahambe. I think uBoy will want to complete African football then leave, because at this point Mfana is only one major trophy away from being a legend at a young age. Yabona Mfana mangawina mangasiza Pirates win i-CAF Champions League, the legendary status, give it to the boy. Give it to the boy at a young age. If he helps Orlando Pirates win the CAF Champions League, remember, usizile swine MTN 8. Wonke ama MTN 8 bakakhona Mfana, he was very pivotal. MTN ama Nedbank league or league was top tier league. Black Label Cup, he was there. Mfethu Mfukeng was everywhere when we won everything. So now imagine if he helps Orlando Pirates win CAF Champions League after a very, very long time and gives Orlando Pirates the second star. You'll have to just give the boy the legendary status at such a young age.